in the airport elevator. Actually, this is one, baby. So we are at the parking lot. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. So, wait for a bus. Wow, that's perfect timing. Bus shows up. I'm glad we got here early.
Number 2.
There's just so many people here.
Please take all personal belongings with you as you exit the bus.
Nobody for this pickup. It's really crowded. There's a bus. I don't have any room. I don't think I've ever been in an airport this early, number one, but also this empty. Not many people here at 4:55 in the morning. There's some over there. That's actually where we're gonna go in, C14. But they don't have many seats over there. I think I've done Delta. I did Delta when I was a kid. I don't remember Delta. I think it's probably before that. Because I don't take Southwest. I think it's usually US Airway. But, yeah, so we're here. Now we just wait. Here we go. We're on our first leg into Detroit, Michigan. Come on, get excited, baby. Get excited. Wow, that's so weak. So weak. Bugs outside the plane. That's it. Bugs step outside.
Better regulations require passengers to comply with crew instructions posted by cars. Smoking is not allowed on any Delta.
You stand there. I'm in the walkway and I'm supposed to walk. Don't you know anything?
I knew nothing.
She said that. Did you hear that? I'll be out of the way.
You need to get out of the way.
I'm going. I'm moving. People are so impatient, aren't they? Aren't they so impatient?
Just a little.
Hey, hopefully I'll show you guys. Up here, it's like I don't know, it's like a tram inside the building. It'll take it all the way down. I don't know where it comes from. But that was pretty cool looking at that. So if I see one, I'll show you all. Okay, in Detroit, Michigan. There it is, right there. I gotta admit, I've never seen it. So, right, the next step, we're leaving Michigan and heading to San Diego, California.
I'm perkier now.
Yeah, it's cold here in Michigan.
It is, but I'm keeping my shorts on.
Absolutely. We gotta keep shorts on. We're in San Diego. Come on.
I touched the plane. I touched the plane.
Be quiet. What am I gonna do with her?
One of those, are you?
I was told to touch the plane.
So I'm used to Southwest, where the stewardess tell you all the safety features. This is Delta. They give it to you here.
Either an overhead bin or under the seat button. And all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should be clear. Your mobile phones and other electronic devices should be turned off.
Oops.
Once they're warm, we'll let you know when you can use approved electronic devices.
What's the benefit to this screen? You get to watch TV. Just need headphones. Some people don't have headphones. I'll let her borrow eventually. This is a 5-hour flight. I'll be nice. As long as she's nice to me. Another thing I like about the Delta flights is that they give you like a GPS of where we are and how much farther we have to go. That is pretty awesome. Also, it just lets you see, if it ever shows up, our destination, where our time of arrival is going to be, how far we've already gone. And also will give you the speed, how fast we're going. Which is probably going to come up after this map. I'll be back with you once it comes up. There it is, 36,000 feet, 531 miles an hour. There's 61 degrees outside. That is cold. We are finally in San Diego. That's how much I got right there. First two. So we're finally in San Diego.
That hot, sexy California guy.
Oh my word. Well, here's our room. Couple beds. Old style. Hi! There is the little fix yourself up do stuff here. And the little bathroom. Nothing spectacular. But we're not going to be spending too much time here anyway, I don't think. So we are here. We are ready to get going. What's that? Oh, nice. I didn't know it was on. At least we have a flashlight.
Well, I seen this thing glowing.
So what do you think? What do you think?
It's fine. It's fine. It's a room. You sleep in it.
I'm appreciative. I'm very appreciative.
I'm not appreciative. It's
Yeah.
a room. It's not, you know.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
We've stayed in nicer places. We've stayed in nicer places. I don't think we've stayed in any worse places.
No.
Okay.
Of course, we've only been in the same place every time, Tennessee.
Well, but I'm saying.
You want San Diego? You want San Diego? You got San Diego.
I'm not complaining about the room. We're just going to sleep in here. I'd like the nicer view, but you know what? You get what you get.
Our view. You look out the window, and this is... Where's the stuff end at? We see trees. That's our room.
It's all right, though.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Nope, can't.
Okay. We'll see
You
what...
just want to abuse me on that. You
No.
just wanted me...
No. We'll see what the rest of the day brings and see how we do. Right?
Yep.
So in San Diego, the weather's always so nice. The mall that we're at, most of it is outside. Even the food court's outside. We're eating with the birds. So what do you think of the mall being outside, baby?
Hi guys, I'm home.
It's okay.
There's no exit over here.
Huh? What do you think of the mall being outside?
Even though it's not, it kind of reminds me of the outlets that we go to, but it's not outlets.
No, definitely not outlets. Expensive.
Yeah, I mean, they've got names here I've never heard of.
Did you like eating with the birds?
Like True Religion.
Brand jeans. True Religion brand jeans. So did you like eating with the birds?
They didn't bother you.
No,
Not at all.
but they're still out here.
Well, they were out here, but they were violent, like New Jersey birds.
True. We got to go down over there.
Oh, honey, there's...
You lift your hands and sing today. Our God is greater, our God is stronger, God is higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power, our God. Yes, you are. Only love can make me whole. Jesus, we worship you. Make that your prayer today. Jesus, I worship you.
Okay, it is 4 o'clock here in San Diego, but our bodies feel like it's 7 o'clock. So we are winding down, and we still have a few more hours to go. I have a lot of footage. So this footage are probably broken up. So what you'll see after this will be just a part of a great speaker that spoke. And hopefully that will inspire you and help you. And you'll see a skit from the Skit Guys. If you know anything about the Skit Guys, they're hilarious. And I didn't show all that either. A lot of it though. Probably good 10, 12, 15 minutes of it. So, but anywho, that's what we're doing. That's what's happening with us. And but we're tired. Tired, baby. Look, she's not even gonna speak. She's so tired.
I heard. Tired of sitting. Tired of standing. whining, actually. That's all I'm gonna say.
She is a whiner.
I am being whiny.
So, okay, well, I'm not sure how much I'm going to show anymore today. Like I said, it's huge. So, you'll see videos. Hopefully, you'll see them all. They'll all be ready for you guys for tomorrow. Alright, well, I hope you guys had a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.